Happy New Year, all. We all tend to make resolutions, but here's something I had scribbled a couple of years back. Thought I would share with you all. Rituals are beautiful. They bring rhythm to life. I prefer calling timetables as rituals, regimes, habits, chores than simply timetable. Timetable for me is like putting life in point format. I prefer keeping that creative. We are not as black and white and plain and boring as the timetable, and surely would not prefer to be sticking to a wall looking dull and not happening. Our lives are far more interesting and they're filled with so much energy and enthusiasm, and we have the power to bring so much joy to our day. Each day has something new in store for us, and each day surprises us. But still, regimes are important to keep a sense of flow, a rhythm in our life. Hence, we need to follow routine for a few things, at least in our life. I love maintaining old rituals like morning prayers. I prefer calling them songs and chants since we love to read from all religious, non-religious, historical texts. A simple Om chant followed by breathing gives immense amount of inner peace. A regime of yoga for the health and a good fresh run for fitness. I'm a bit old school. For me, reading is extremely important, and when I say reading, I do not mean on gadgets. It could be newspaper articles, books, storybooks, textbooks, anything. Chores are the next thing in the list. Again, this is part of habit building rather than some exceptionally unattainable resolutions. Developing small habits in small ways are very important. I strongly believe kids must be handed over some responsibility of chores. It could be something really simple like folding clothes and keeping them in respective drawers, or it could be arranging at the dinner table. Anything you like and your kid is comfortable with. Evenings are not for tuitions and studies. I strongly believe in evenings are for playing, period. A good game of tennis, cricket. I mean, right now I know that given the COVID and swimming pools are shut, but still you can have some amount of play. You can figure out what kind of play, because it just relaxes you and refreshes you like nothing else. Making difficult, unachievable, target-based timetables adds pressure and stress. Instead, rituals, regimes, chores develop habits and bring rhythm to our life. I don't believe in resolutions. They are temporary. Rituals, they are forever. Wishing you all lots of goodness and wellness. Happy New Year. Hakuna Matata.